You search for how to buy shares of Boston Omaha Corporation. Boston Omaha is a public holding company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BOC, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy a stock, you need a broker, so we will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify the account, which usually requires a government ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker BOC to find the company listing. Make sure you select the Boston Omaha Corporation result to reach the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Check the displayed ticker BOC and market information as a final confirmation. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or placed as a limit order, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in the portfolio view where you can monitor it. For reference, find the eToro link in the video description.